Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Got a product that I received today, actually from a company called Shine Armor. And what this is a waterless wash, shine, and protect product. It's called Fortify, quick quote, Shine Armor. And what this is, it's a waterless car wash, so you don't need to break out the hose and all that stuff. So you don't need to wash the car before using it unless the car, or in this case my Tacoma back here, is muddy. Then you'd want to spray the mud off, obviously. They call it a 3-in-1 ceramic waterless wash, shine, and coat. So what you get, they sent the bottle, of course, and then it comes with a spray nozzle, you guys can see, so obviously we'll put that on. And then a couple of microfiber towels. So what we're going to do, and it's a little windy out here, so I'm going to try to do this in between wind gusts. But you guys can see back here, I have the Tacoma taped down the middle. You guys can see right here. And the reason I've done that is because I'm going to do this side of the truck with the Shine Armor product. You guys can see right there. And we're going to leave this side as is. I'll spray it off with water when I'm done because we're going to do a little bit of a water test and a little bit of a slide test. One thing that I always love when I do any kind of the waxing or anything like that to my vehicles is to see if a cloth will just slide right across it when I'm done. That to me is a good sign that the product did what I wanted it to do. So the way that this works, you're supposed to spray some product on the microfiber towel, and then you're supposed to spray product on the surface, your paint surface, and then wipe it off. As soon as you wipe it off, you take another clean microfiber towel and kind of buff it a little bit, wipe it off to get a good shine on it. That's what the directions say. So we're going to set up here and see how it works. Stay tuned. Oh, and one other thing, it does say that it can be used on glass, which would be awesome as a glass cleaner. So we are going to do it on the windshield as well, just to see how well it works there. All right, we're going to spray some on the cloth here first, and then we're going to spray the truck. You're supposed to do it in 3-foot by 3-foot sections. So I'm going to do the windshield and the paint surface separately. So here we go. Smells really good, I'll say that. All right, let's see what we get. All right, looks pretty good so far. We're going to do the windshield next. And then we'll have a look. Okay, we're inside. I just wanted to give you guys a shot of the windshield. I'm not sure what you'll be able to see, but a shot of the windshield from the inside before we apply this product. So there's what it looks like on the inside. All right, let's go ahead and hit the windshield. Okay, that takes care of the windshield. There's the after over there, or the before over here. So the before right there, and the after right there, with the lovely palm tree shining in it. Kind of hard to see the difference out here on the windshield, but we're going to step back inside, see what it looks like from the inside. Okay, we're back on the inside here, and I know it's difficult to tell, and the inside of my windshield actually is a little bit dirty, but there's the other side. I don't know if you can tell a difference. And here is the cleaned side. Getting reflections now, it's so clean there. Okay, so far, so good. I'm digging it. First off, it's easy to put on, it's easy to take off, and it smells good. And I love the purple color. But how functional is it? How does it work? Well, for me, like I mentioned, there's two tests. Does it bead with water? And if I throw a cloth across it, how well does that cloth slide, if you will? So what we've got here is a handkerchief, and we're gonna kind of toss it on the clean side and the dirty side, and we're gonna see how well it slides. So let's start over here on the dirty side, give you guys a point of reference. I'm just gonna toss it. You guys can see, we'll give it a little more oomph, and then we'll just push it. Putting light pressure on there, just pushing it, okay? Now we're gonna go over here to the side that I just cleaned, give it a little toss. You can see, obviously, it slides. Give it a little less oomph, give it a little more oomph, and then if I want to slide it, I mean, it's like velvet right now. Look at that. So it passes the slide test. Looks like we've got a nice smooth clean surface on there. Now we're going to do the water test. I'm going to break out the hose. We're going to see how well it beads up. All right, going to start with the unclean side. Just going to spray a little bit of water on here. You guys can see that's what's happened on the unclean side. Water does run off of there pretty decently. Now let's go over to the clean side. Hit the windshield too, why not? There you go. There's a great test on the windshield. You can see the side that I did in front of the driver's door. Let's zoom you in a little bit. You can see how there is a lot less water on the driver's side over here as compared to the passenger side there. There's probably half as much water left on the windshield, I'd say. Now, going back to the hood, you can see here we have some bigger water droplets and stuff over here. And then let's look over here at the clean side. Nice smaller beads over here. Honestly, there isn't a huge difference, but I would imagine if I was at speed running down the road, actually there is a pretty good difference. You can see there's more water over here than there is over here. So on second look, looking through the lens, there is a pretty big difference as to what we had over here on the dirty side and what we have over here on the clean side. So, wow, pretty nice. All right, we are done. So to recap a little bit, pretty easy to put on. Spray a little bit to dampen your microfiber cloth, and then spray it on the surface that you want to clean. Wipe it all off, and then take a clean, dry microfiber cloth and buff it. That's it. How is the finish? Looks pretty darn good to me. It's kind of like getting a wax and a wash in the same motion without having to go through all that time and elbow grease. I like it. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I would. This is a, again, it's called a Fortify Quick Coat. Waterless wash, shine and protect from Shine Armor. You guys can see right here. If you're interested in this, the website is www.shinearmor.com. You can check it out there. I'll put a link down below. Scale of 1 to 10, what would I give this? I think I'd give it a 9.5. And the only reason it doesn't get a 10 is because the bottle doesn't climb out here and do it by itself. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever used this product before and what you think of it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.